Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy cryptocurrency in Coinmama. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in coinmama.com. After that, click on login button and log in using your credentials. After the login is completed, you can see a screen like this. If you don't see it, go to buy and sell option. Now, select the cryptocurrency that you want to spend from here. After that, select what you want to receive. Now enter the amount here and type in your wallet address. After that, click on continue and verify the process. So that is how you can buy cryptocurrency in Coinmama. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.